Speaking of epic pressure, Fortnite actually is coming back to iOS in a very weird way. And I don't know if you read this story, but people have been trying to figure out workarounds to get Fortnite back on iOS. It's proven to be quite difficult in the absence of the App Store and being embedded into the device in that fashion. However, you got this new game streaming service, GeForce Now, because we need more game streaming services.
Yes.
GeForce Now, that's NVIDIA's product, and they're bringing out game streaming on iOS Safari in the browser. Now, all these companies having to find these workarounds because Apple's not making it easy to launch your great game streaming service in the App Store. And so the browser workaround is something that, was it Facebook Gaming was working on? And I mean, there's just been a couple of...
Stadia is using the web app.
Stadia was using the web app. So there's been some examples of this as a workaround. Well, Epic is going to be a big part of GeForce Now. And so, of course, people started wondering, all right, so if this thing works inside of the Safari browser, I'm playing Fortnite, aren't I? But it's not that simple. You're not playing Fortnite mobile. And one of the things that made Fortnite so popular on mobile was the optimizations for touch-based input, the ease of aiming and things like this. You didn't really feel you were at a huge disadvantage. The problem here is going to be kind of like the PC game mapped to mobile, and then in an attempt to get, they're really suggesting, in fact, that you use a controller attachment because it's not going to be optimized.
Right.
Now, at least in the short term. So maybe that will change down the road. But nonetheless, they're excited. NVIDIA's excited. Epic is talking about it. They found some kind of workaround that seems to get past Apple's exclusion for the time being. And of course, this is all coming in light of the other news around the slashing of the cut. It's a lot going on. It's like on one side, on the Apple side, they're trying to make some small changes to send signals to their customer base that they're still in this, that they're on the right side. And then on the other side, you have Epic trying to find any way in to get back to that customer base, even if it's like they shake hands with NVIDIA, they do the presentation, and then they come back around that way.
Yeah. A lot of small ripples turn into like big tides.
It's great. Oh, wow. You've been holding on to that one for a while.
A little bit,
Yeah. All right. Is that one written down on the little sketch pad you got there?
Yeah.
I'm going to get to that
note
in a minute. So anyways, I don't know. I guess it's a bit of a consolation. I've been curious about those Fortnite gamers, addicts that play primarily on mobile, like what they've been doing in the meantime. If they gave up the game or if they went to a different platform, I guess having the ability to play it, if you're super into it, you have some kind of way on the horizon here.